If you want to engage your audience and present your brand in a better way using A+ content, then watch this video. Hey guys, I'm Ankita from SellerApp. Amazon A+ content, or formerly called enhanced brand content, is a feature offered by Amazon to help you enhance your product story and brand affinity. It's one of the most effective ways to increase your sales. Amazon A+ content is only allowed for sellers registered in the Amazon brand registry. Through A+ content, you can provide extra content, images, or videos to captivate your audience. You can use the templates across all of your products, and it gives you a very good platform to showcase your brand and value proposition that your product brings to differentiate your product from your competitors. More conversions and sales. Amazon A+ content brings in more conversions and sales. According to Amazon, it offers a 5% or more increase in conversions. Appealing images complemented with good content pushes on-the-fence buyers into making a purchase. Therefore, it brings in more sales and an increase in ROAS. Fight counterfeit. Amazon A+ content helps you establish your brand and showcase all the aspects of your product better, like your product itself, packaging, brand, logo, etc. So should anyone hijack your listing, you can always report them to Amazon and call out on the mismatch between the product that they're selling and the listing. And also, having your brand registered gives you more weightage, as Amazon already knows that you are the rightful owner of your brand and the product. Reduce return rate and better reviews. Customers want to gather as much information as possible about your product, and A+ content gives all the information that they require about your product, which accelerates the buying process. With their expectations managed, fewer customers tend to return your product after purchase. And when they're satisfied with their purchasing decision, there's a large room for leaving positive reviews. Now let's learn how to use A+ content in your product listing. The core objective of A+ content is to build your brand on Amazon. Although Amazon does not allow you to link your website or your brand page, you can use A+ content effectively to build a brand story. One of the best things about enrolling in Amazon brand registry is that it allows you to add a video to your product listing. Amazon shoppers love videos, and people can process videos or visuals 60,000 times faster than text. If you want people to fall in love with your product, then you have to create a very compelling video about your product and your brand. You can create a short video showcasing the functionality, features, or uses of your product. For example, how to use it, how to operate it. You can demonstrate to them about how your product is going to make their lives so much easier. So the best part about creating a video is it's responsive on mobile, tablet, and all other devices. Now, before you create video for your A+ content, make sure you're following Amazon video guidelines. The link is in the description below. Now, let's have a look at best practices for creating A+ content. The first one is, when you go to Amazon A+ Content Manager page, you can create and review all the templates, and you're advised to create different names for individual listing A+ content to keep a better track of your list. Your brand logo should be of at least 600 x 180 pixels with a resolution of 72 dpi. Make sure while creating images, you're following Amazon's specifications. If the uploaded image is larger than Amazon's specified size, then Amazon may reject your image or resize the image to fit the section. But if the image is smaller than the specification, then it will retain the same size. For faster page load, you can have images and text up to 250 KB per SKU. Use videos of high quality, a minimum of 720p within 3-minute duration. Ensure you optimize your content for mobile shoppers. Use voice-friendly and mobile-friendly content. Amazon will resize your images and optimize your content for mobile phones anyway. However, the customers will need to expand the description box to view your A+ content in mobile phones. To make it easier for mobile shoppers to read your content, present your text in bullet point format. Amazon will most likely present only the first 3 bullet points, so make sure that you cover all the important aspects in these 3 points. And you need not fill images and text in all the sections. Amazon will reformat the templates to fit your content. The best way to use A+ content is to address commonly asked questions by your customers. You can have a look at review section or Q&A section to understand what your customers are asking, and use your videos and images to address their pain points and present your product features and your brand in a better way to fit their needs. Of course, there are a few limitations to A+ content on Amazon. You cannot add A+ content for certain categories such as media, videos, books, because Amazon brand registry is not available for these categories. You cannot publish A+ content that's already been published by your competitors or retail vendors. So make sure you check out all similar ASINs. So how do you know if your A+ content is working or not? How do you attribute the increase in sales to A+ content? With the help of a recently launched feature called Manage Experiments, you can track the performance of your A+ content and also do A/B testing. You can create 2 different versions and track your performance after a few weeks. This feature is available for both sellers and vendors on Amazon. So that's all for today, guys. We're doing a Q&A session once every 2 weeks, so if you have any questions about Amazon selling or our product and services, do leave them in the comment section below with the hashtag SellerApp for sellers. And if you like this video, do leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for interesting updates, and hit the bell icon to get a notification when we upload our video next time. So until then, happy selling.